Hello everyone. Good morning. So let's connect here for 2nd May pre-market report. So long weekend, we had a holiday on Friday. So let's see what exactly awaiting for us. So Friday there was a result that is on Thursday there was a result for SBI cards and Ultratech. SBI cards QOQ has shown the growth, and YOY also has shown the growth compared to the previous year 1,616 crore, and this year 2,200 crore. Almost they have recorded 40% growth on YOY, and also QOQ also they have shown the growth. This is looking promising. Let's see what exactly happens. Also, they have a pros and cons. Company might be capitalizing their interest cost. This is one concern. Otherwise, they have shown good PAT growth from both YOY and QOQ. This is going to be a positive. But have your own analysis before making any positions. Second, Ultratech. Ultratech looks like on an overall QOQ showing growth, that is 1,063 and 1,670, whereas YOY has shown the degrowth. Last year it was 7,334 and this year 5,074. So we have given the detailed analysis on the Ultratech results. Please have a detailed look on this. So this might impact because YOY what we are seeing is minus 31%. So it's a Jan to Feb March month. It is a biggest business month, business quarter for them, whereas they have shown only 1,670. That is also a major concern, which has hit their PAT. Compared to 7, even they are not asking 7,334 investor is agreed for 6,000 crore, which they were expecting. That 1,000 crore is also down from there. So forecast has also not met, and YOY growth also not recorded. Only QOQ they have shown the growth. QOQ was like negligible because in June they have recorded 1,582. And this quarter they have done 1,670. So last 2 quarters like September and December was not like a major impact where it shown the business. So if we look at the comparison of this, it is because cement is a business where it happens on Jan, Feb, March. So that is the major business. So in that business, they have in that month, they have shown the lesser one. And also they have not met the YOY forecast. And also forecast they have not met whatever they forecasted. Like forecasted, they have given 6,017 crore, which they did not meet. All these might impact on the negative results. But still, if they are having any positive in terms of production or inventory clear, all these things, that's a different matter. But on an overview, if we see the PAT growth, they have shown the negative growth for a year over year. So that's one major impact what you have to look for. It has declined by minus 31%, and QOQ they have shown the recorded growth. That is compared to the December, not compared to the last year of March. Last year of March is bigger number. And company has a low return on equity, 12.6 years over 3 years. Or so if you notice, since past 3 years, Ultratech, past 3-4 months, Ultratech is going making higher highs. And it's also people were expecting it might touch 52-week high also. But now there may be a break for it because YOY they have not shown the growth. So it might not reach the record of 8,000. That's what we are analyzing. So have your own analysis before making any position for the long. At this moment, short is seeing more visibility rather than a long calls for Ultratech. So this week result summary, Tata Steel. That is today. We might expect the preview anytime. Today result and what to expect. The forecast is 16,344. Out of that, what we are expecting, 9,835. So till date, they have achieved 6,509. So here, Tata Steel, what you have to look for when you are looking at result, try to look on both consolidated and standalone so that you will have a more visibility. So what we have posted here is consolidated result. As per the consolidated, they have to achieve 9,835 crore they have to achieve. So look after when you are seeing Tata Steel, because many people might have confused by looking at only standalone and by looking at Tata's consolidated. When we see consolidated, it is showing negative. When we see standalone, it is showing positive. So based upon standalone, most of the time results will impact. So that's what we have posted here, consolidated. So have a look on this Tata Steel results. And Titan results are expected tomorrow. So the thing is, what exactly they have to do? December 913 crore they have done, And the forecast what they have done is 3065 for this year. So they are to achieve 527. If they achieve this 527, they will be able to meet YOY number. But if they wanted to meet QOQ number as well, then they have to beat more than 913 crore. So that is what we have to look for, whether they are going to beat only 577 or they are going to do achieve this more than 913. That's going to be a fantastic if they achieve more than 913 crore. And this is a festival, and as well as last quarter was festival and also marriage months, so there might be more business from the jewelry, so they might show the good record as well. Let's wait what exactly they're going to show. Coming back to Havel, their forecast is 1066. Out of that, they achieved 714 crore. So to be achieved is 352 crore. They have to achieve 352 crore. If they achieve 352 crore, they will be able to meet both QOQ and YOY growth. So let's see if they achieve, then the stock might make a higher highs. So have a look on the technicals as well. This is on the fundamentals. Tata Chemicals, PAT shown 445. Sorry, forecast is 2187, and till date they have achieved 1742. If they achieve this 445, they will be able to meet both QOQ and YOY number. So there will be now good positive vibe on this if they meet. So far they are on the track. Let's see where exactly they are up to the mark on this. Last week you might have seen Tata Chemicals was a gap down. That was because of GAN number to meet, so that's why it has fell. Also there was a insight information on the sales growth, so that's the reason market has fell. So have a look on this before making any positions for Tata Chemicals. So 28th April events, we have no events. Sorry, this is on third, date have not been changed. So today is third. So sorry, today is second, no macroeconomic events, only third, that is tomorrow. So tomorrow macroeconomic events is S&P Global Composite, S&P Global Services PMI, M3 money supply. So S&P Global Composite and Services means the index measures the performance of the global manufacturing and services sectors. It measures the performance of global manufacturing and services and provides a single number snapshot of the healthy of the global economy. How exactly global economy health is there in the perspective of manufacturing and as well as service sectors. That is what S&P Global Composite and Services talks about. So, and also the index based on surveys of purchasing managers in more than 40 countries and regions, and provides a timely, reliable measures of the direction of the global economy. Also, it gives the purchasing manager efficiency of 40 countries and regions, provides timely, reliable measures of the direction and the global of the economy, where exactly it is heading, the purchasing power. All these things are measured in S&P Global Composite manufacturing and as well as services. So what we are seeing, previous is 58.4. Again, previous is 57.8. What we are expecting. So current forecast is 57 and 56. So this might also affect the Nifty and Bank Nifty either in a positive and negative based upon the health of the global economy. Also, it will impact Indian economy. So that result is there tomorrow. That is May 3rd. And third one is M3 money supply. M3 money supply, it is on a 15 days once, and it will be measured, though we have explained, but M1 belongs to the currency with public plus deposits, that is current account and savings account. M2 is nothing but M1 plus savings deposit of post office or savings bank. And lastly, M3 broad money. 1 minute, I'll just make this up. Lastly, broad money includes, that is M3 means we call it as a broad money because it has both M1 and M2. That's why it includes currency deposits with an agreed maturity up to 2 years. Deposits redeemable at notice of up to 3 months and repurchase agreements. Money market fund share or unit share debit securities up to 2 years. So M3 is a broader money. It consists of M1, M2 and as well as currency deposits or all this, whatever maturity up to 2 years, everything will be considered. So that result is available to, tomorrow again at 5 p.m. So let's see whether it is a growth or flat or what. Based upon that, Nifty and Bank Nifty might also impact. And remember, Nifty and Bank Nifty, only 4 days left. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So expiry day, there may be chances of going time value more. So please keep your position hedged always to safeguard your investments. So policy and regulations. So center cut slashes windfall tax to rupees 4,100 per ton. Government has left the windfall tax on petrol, diesel, and aviation turbine fuel at 0 rupees. So this gives a positive impact on Reliance and other petrol related stocks, crude oil related stocks. So this could be a positive news for many companies, and as well as depends upon the crude oil taxes as well. So global index performance, SGX Nifty has shown minus 33 already. So please have a watch on global index. Why exactly we are monitoring this global index? We have posted a video just to understand the correlation between how exactly SGX Nifty relates Indian Nifty, how Dow Jones is impact Nifty 50, and how Nasdaq will really impact Nifty 50 or not, and S&P 500 will really impact Nifty 50 or not. So S&P 500 and Nasdaq is hardly correlate the Indian Nifty and 50, but still we are tracking, just it's a global and US economy. Okay, so we will be shortly posting on crude oil and gold and commodity products, how exactly it will impact Nifty 50. For now, we are updating this SGX Nifty is minus 33. So Indian market also might start little negative. Let's see how exactly Indian market behaves. US global market, US shows negative, Nasdaq shows negative, S&P shows negative. Nikkei Japan market starts with minus 18.35, which is a short-term impact to the Indian market, and long-term we'll have to see. Crude oil showing positive, and also the windfall tax. Will it negate the effect? Let's see what exactly happens. Gold is a flat. It is we cannot call it as a growth of 44. It's a flat we can call. So how exactly Nifty? So Nifty might get balanced. It might not even go higher or lower. So this is what the gold is influencing. And the USD INR is like almost flat, minus 0.01. Nifty is 18,065. Nifty key resistance is 18,240. Nifty key support is 17,890. Bank Nifty is 43,233. Bank Nifty key resistance is 43,782. Bank Nifty key support 42,684. Key support and resistance has been identified from the daily volatility. Please have your own analysis before making any positions for this. So Nifty glimpse, Nifty has given a breakout of this channel up, and then it is trying to travel towards this channel. Let's see. Until and unless you get a confirmation on the chart pattern, please don't take any positions for the long, because it has to make one chart pattern here like this. Otherwise, it might go here like a temporary breakout, and then it might come back to make a chart pattern. Either it can make a chart pattern within this channel, or it can make a chart pattern with this and then bounce back. So, but anything, wait for a chart pattern and go for a long. Until and unless you get a chart pattern, please wait for a long positions if you are going. This is on a weekly basis candle analysis. So top stocks to watch for the day. Ultratech, we have already explained. The YOY has recorded a degrowth. QOQ has shown the growth, but YOY has recorded a degrowth. So there may be a negative symbol what we are overseeing. So we'll have to see what investors will look into it as a negative, insight of this. SBI cards, both YOY and QOQ has recorded a growth. That's good. And Tata Steel, we are expecting a results. So as we suggested, please refer standalone and as well as consolidated for the Tata Steel, so to have an insight information, to have a detailed accuracy levels of to make any trade positions. Tata Chemicals results are expected today. Havells results are expected today. Please keep a watch on this. We have also given in the first slide that how exactly the result, what to expect and what not to expect from these results. Thank you. Don't forget to click on like, share, subscribe button for more such regular updates. Thank you.